What's up, Wyatt Simpsoners? It's your boy, Wyatt Simpson, out here with another video for you today. I caught myself a new whip. I can't even talk. Whoa! Whoa! I can't even hold my enjoyment. Let's roll more out there, mate. Whoa! Can't even check out that baby. Ah! Whoa! I can't believe it. Let's just take a good look at it, why don't we? Nice square body. Get a good shot of this. Gucci tires. Straight from the store. That hurt. Get a shot for me. You can't even see me through this tent. You can't even see me through this tent. You can't. Sometimes the goal gets a little stuck. Straight new bumper, mate. Straight new bumper. Whoa! I can't. Your car. Whoa! Just get another shot of that. Oh. I guess I know it's a little short, but it's not much to see. It's beautiful, but I can't really show all of it. Whoa, don't get those plates, don't get those plates. Don't get those plates, don't. Okay, that's good. Okay, hey. I'll see you boys later. I'll see you later.